Good girl. Good girl. I can't believe you go put your head underwater like that. I hope I caught that on camera. She'd probably underwater 3 or 4 seconds swimming around looking for it. Who's got it? Does Liz got it? Gonna bring the ball here, Liz? Come here, I'll give you a cookie. You want a cookie? You got a treat? Or would you rather have the ball? You'd rather have the ball, wouldn't you? You got your ball? Well, Lizzie's got the ball. Come here. Bring here. Come here. Bring it here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Oh, you got a friend. Come here.